The Philippine Coast Guard is expanding its fleet again. A newly released notice of award reveals that the PCG has selected Cebu-based Dynacast Shipbuilding and Repairs and Dynamic Power and Marine Industrial Hardware, working as a joint venture to build 19 additional high-speed response boats worth 799.5 million pesos. These vessels are locally built, combat-proven in local seas, and aim to boost maritime patrol, search and rescue, and disaster response operations across the archipelago. Today, we break down what this means for Philippine maritime security, why the PCG continues to invest in these locally made boats, and how this fits into their long-term plan to field over 100 small, fast boats nationwide. The notice of award confirms that the joint venture will deliver 19 additional high-speed response boats, bringing the total to 40 units delivered to the Philippine Coast Guard just a few years ago. These earlier units were distributed across the country, from Luzon, Visayas to Mindanao, and are actively used for coastal patrols, rapid interdiction, search and rescue, humanitarian assistance and disaster response, or HADR, and anti-smuggling and law enforcement support. What's notable is that PCG insiders report no significant issues with the boats delivered previously. In fact, feedback has been largely positive, emphasizing reliability, speed, and ease of maintenance, a major plus for vessels operating in remote or rugged coastal environments. While the PCG has yet to publish the full specifications for this new batch, these high-speed response boats are expected to closely resemble the 40 earlier units already in service. Typical features include high-speed capability, ideal for intercept missions, lightweight but durable aluminum hulls, shallow draft, allowing operations close to shore or in tight waterways, small crew requirement, making them cost-efficient, and open deck or cabin variants, depending on mission. Their agility and acceleration make them perfect for chasing suspect vessels, responding to maritime accidents, or being among the first responders in coastal communities during storms and emergencies. And since they are locally manufactured, logistics, repairs, and part sourcing are faster and cheaper compared to imported boats. This project is another win for the local Philippine shipbuilding industry, especially in Cebu, which has become one of the country's maritime manufacturing hubs. By awarding the contract to Dynacast Shipbuilding and Dynamic Power and Marine, the government is supporting local jobs, strengthening local maritime expertise, reducing dependence on foreign builders, and creating sustainable defense industrial capacity. Domestic shipbuilding ensures that our maritime assets are tailored to the Philippine seas, climate, and operational realities. So what does adding 19 more boats mean in practical terms? More patrol coverage, better response during emergencies, stronger law enforcement presence, and a more balanced force structure. With this acquisition, the PCG continues to modernize rapidly. Alongside these small fast boats, the PCG is simultaneously expanding with new OPVs from Japan, multi-role response vessels, 87-meter Australian-built vessels, unmanned aerial assets, and maritime domain awareness systems. The high-speed response boats might be small, but they are essential to the Coast Guard's long-term modernization roadmap. The construction of 19 new, locally made high-speed response boats is a huge step toward a more agile, more responsive, and more capable Philippine Coast Guard. With 40 already in service and more on the way, the PCG is building the backbone of a fleet that can reach every coast, every island, and every community. These locally built boats may be small, but their impact is massive. Every new unit means faster rescue operations, stronger maritime patrols, and better protection for our coastal communities. As the PCG moves closer to its goal of fielding over 100 high-speed boats, we're witnessing a transformation in real time, one that strengthens maritime security, supports local shipbuilders, and prepares the Philippines for whatever challenges lie ahead at sea. If you found this update informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest defense updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.